know that becoming digital at the core can create more sustainable value for businesses? Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a business leader, or just curious about how the digital era is shaping our world, this video is for you. Welcome to Medicium. Let's get started. Let's start with some eye opening facts. Did you know that millennials and Gen Zs now make up to nearly half of the global workforce? That's right, and their expectations are transforming the workplace. Remote working, for instance, have moved from a nice to have to a must have. The COVID 19 pandemic only accelerated this shift, leading to more remote work and digitally enabled customer experiences. So, what does this mean for companies? To stay relevant and sustainable, businesses need to embrace digital solutions that ensure engagement, health, and well being for their employees. And let's not forget about security. With more distribution in workforce and a rise in connected devices, managing cybersecurity risk has become crucial. Now, here's a stat that might surprise you. Companies that excel in digital transformation are 26% more profitable than their peers. According to a MIT initiative on the digital economy, that's a huge advantage in today's competitive market. In fact, 87% of CEOs expect to see changes in their operating models within the next 3 years, as reported by Deloitte. And it's not just about keeping up, it's about getting ahead. Technologies and data are game changers in demanding, forecasting, investing, and inventory management and delivery systems. Take Amazon for example. They've mastered a shipping model that predicts buying behavior, allowing them to stock product locally before customers even place an order. During the pandemic, this predictive power became a lifeline for many businesses trying to navigate supply chain disruptions. But it's not just about Amazon. Companies worldwide are leveraging technologies like blockchain, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and robotics to build resilience and transparency in their operations. Unilever and Sainsbury are great examples. They have used blockchain to enhance the sustainability and transparency of their supply chain. Even though even though many industries faced losses during pandemic, investing in digital solutions has helped many manage cost and improved efficiency. So if you're wondering whether it's worth it to go digital, the answer is resounding yes. To wrap it up, becoming digital at the core isn't just a trend, it's a strategic move that can lead to a more sustainable value and a competitive edge. If you enjoyed this video, tap the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos and how the technology is shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.